Are you ready to unleash the power of your S58? Introducing the ARM Motorsports G80 M2, M3, and M4 catless and catted downpipes. The factory downpipes choke your car's turbo and mute its potential. Our team of engineers has meticulously designed the ultimate solution. By upgrading to our 3-inch stainless steel downpipes, you'll unlock instant gains in horsepower, quicker turbo spool, and an exotic exhaust sound that transforms your driving experience. But this isn't just about power, it's about proven durability. Each downpipe is built with precision, CNC-machined flanges and a critical reinforced flex section, engineered to relieve stress on your turbos during the most demanding conditions. You can choose our catless version for the most aggressive sound and maximum power. Or you can select our 200-cell ceramic cat option to help reduce smell without compromising performance. Unlock the sound and potential your S58 was designed for. Go to armmotorsports.com today to get yours.